Let's talk about doing a 20-minute closet purge. One of the things that's really great in the closet is if you don't have a lot of time, it is one of the simplest spaces to do a 20-minute closet purge. If we look at a space that feels overwhelming and I say to you, just take 20 minutes and purge, like that's doable because we know in your closet there is something ripped or stained. Things that are ripped or stained are easy things to purge. Texture, size, something that's like way too big or way too small, releasing sizes that aren't quite right. Fit, what fit do we know doesn't work? If you try it on, you don't wear it, get rid of it. Or if you don't choose it because of something, get it out of there. Color, are there certain colors that you're not into? So color, shape, same thing. Fit and shape are very similar. Anything that has a negative memory. You wore this when somebody tossed a drink on you. You wore this when so-and-so broke up with you. Like if there's a negative memory to it, if it was something you wore to a significant event, like a certain funeral, and maybe that's now belongs to the funeral, maybe that goes in with memorabilia. Maybe that doesn't belong in your closet for you to see it all the time. And instead it just releases. Painful hope. What I mean by painful hope is I hope one day I'll be wearing my stilettos again, even though I don't want to wear my stilettos again. Allowing the reconciliation of who we are. And finally, gifts you never liked. Anyone ever give you clothes you weren't into? My thing is I would like wear it around them once, like parade it for them. And then I was like, you're out of here. I personally have like a small window of time where I feel like if I've allowed you to live in my closet for a small period of time, I am okay releasing you. I received you. That was my job. And now you may move on to your next life. I actually started a donation bag. And by the way, a donation bag is a great thing to have in your closet at all times, a box or a bag that is just, its job is to hold donations. So you can just, if you don't like it, toss it in there. So these are a few things that are just easy 20-minute purges. It is a good thing to practice. Sometimes we work until it's done. For certain people, our brains really want to do that. No, I'm not done. I can't do that in 20 minutes, but you can do that for 20 minutes. You can't do it as in complete it in 20 minutes, but you can do it for 20 minutes. And that's what we want to play with is like, can you just give yourself that journey of 20 minutes to kind of play?